Let's show you how easy it is to create a new order. The hardest part of our ordering process is choosing which of our 140 different options to try. From your dashboard, simply click the plus button for the meal you would like to set. Navigate through the meal categories by swiping right. To view the nutritional information of any meal, simply press on More Information. To choose a meal, press on the meal and a tick will appear. This means the item has been added to your order. To deselect an item, simply press on the meal again and it will be removed from your order. There are 3 main sections to choose meals within the app: Main Meals, Snacks, and Drinks. Press the green Next button to navigate to the next section. Once you have made your meal choices, you will be shown your order summary and total order cost. Submit if you are happy with your choices. Once you have submitted your order, you have the option to set this menu for this date only or for every Friday of the school year. Orders can easily be cancelled or edited if you change your mind in the future. Congratulations, your order has now been placed. Orders are charged from your wallet at midnight 2 days prior to your delivery date. For example, if your order is for a Friday, your wallet will be charged on Wednesday at midnight.